What's up?
Hi there.
Hello.
Hey there.
Hi, how's it going? Hey guys, Aqua and Arogames here. Today we are going to play some more Miss Z. Let's destroy the refrigerator.
Oh, ha 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 ha. So funny of Miss R. She's a comedian. Ha 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 ha. Well, oh, my belly is rumbling. I'm so hungry. Let's see if there's something on the refrigerator.
Now we are going to have 5 seconds. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe and put your thumb up to like the video to don't miss a single drawn page of new updates and new videos that we post every day. Time to subscribe and like the video. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Time awaits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. You are superior.
Oh, I know. I will prepare chicken tenders with mustard, ketchup, and ranch. Time for me to dance off outside. What are you doing here, party poopers? What were you doing with my refrigerator? I am going to check it out until I open it the next time. Invade my house again. I will call all my sisters to get you. Finally, I am going to open the refrigerator and get chicken tenders with mustard, ketchup, and ranch. Achoa. Who did this? Who broke my refrigerator? It's the party poopers again.
Bye-bye. See you next time.